Making changes to your Auth0 tenant can be nerve-wracking. What if you could preview exactly what's going to change before anything happens? The Auth0 Deploy CLI's dry run lets you see the full diff of your changes before even touching your tenant. The Auth0 Deploy CLI allows you to manage your tenant configurations as code. You can export your settings to a YAML or JSON files, make changes locally, and then import them back. With the dry run flag, you see what would change without actually applying the change. I'm going to add my tenant configuration to this new project that I'm working on. I already have the Auth0 Deploy CLI installed in the latest version. To connect to your tenant, you need a config file with your Auth0 domain, client ID, and the client secret. One important thing here, notice the domain doesn't include the protocol, so no HTTPS or things might fail. And another quick tip, I'm using the config.json, but I already added it to my gitignore since it contains sensitive information and I don't want to commit it by mistake. If you prefer, you can also use environmental variables as well. First, I'll export my current tenant configuration. This pulls down all of my apps, APIs, and other settings into local files and creates a folder with my tenant configuration. Now, let's say I want to update the name of my API here. I need to update the name in the tenant YAML file. But before I apply this, I want to see exactly what's going to happen. So I run the import command with the dry run flag. And look at this output. It shows me exactly what would be created, updated, or deleted. Nothing has actually changed yet. My tenant is exactly as it was. Only when I remove the dry run flag and run the command again, will changes actually happen. Once it's finished, and if I go into my Auth0 Dashboard and refresh the page for my APIs, you can see the new name of my API. If you're managing Auth0 configuration as a code, always preview first with dry run. It's the safest way to catch mistakes before they hit production. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Auth0 Deploy CLI to get the dry run mode, and check out the docs and resources linked below, and I'll see you on the next one.